Hi guys, welcome back to Supermom TV. So last week I went to Funan, Singapore and bought some filming equipment. As promised, today I'm going to review two of the things that I've bought from Funan. I bought the external shotgun mic and professional tripod. So the mic that I bought is a Saramonic and the model is SR-M3. Both items I bought from the shop called Photo, and previously I also bought my camera Canon EOS M50 from them, but I bought it from their store in Sim Lim Square. They have opened another outlet in Funan, Singapore, so I went there to have a look at their products at the same time, shop for the mic and the tripod. So just a disclaimer, this video is not sponsored by Photo, so it's just purely my honest review about them. I feel that they are very professional, they are not pushy. I'm a very newbie when it comes to gadgets, filming gadgets, and when it comes to tech stuff. So the staff, they are very professional and they explain to me and they really understand my needs. So the mic I bought for $82 and the tripod I bought it for 95 Singapore dollars. So for those that are not staying in Singapore, you can get them from Amazon. I will leave the link down in the description box below. So right now I'm going to review this tripod. It is from Fotopro and it can extend for 5 sections, so it's quite high and it's perfect for my height, and it's quite lightweight and quite portable. The weight is about 1.15 kilogram. The weight is about 2.5 pounds. I will show you the whole setup, how it works. The material is very sturdy and it's made from aluminium. So there are 5 sections, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is the 5th one. I've never used this kind of professional tripod before, but I find that it is really very easy to use, very user friendly. It might look a bit intimidating at first. Just every single detail is so precise, so it's like the twisting is just a little bit of twisting and it's already locked. So this is what I like about it. It feels really very steady. So this one, just the 3 legs is up. So yeah, so I am 5'2". Yeah, so this is the height. When you put on the camera, then it will be just nice for my height. Then the roller head is very easy to use. Once I lock the roller head, it is it doesn't move at all. So right now I'll show you how I fix it to my camera. So right now I show you how I mount my camera on this tripod. So I'm using the Canon EOS M50. So this one, you just need to loosen up this side and you can just remove this. This is to attach to the bottom of the camera. Just like so. And can you see that this side here, there's this metal here to add like a stopper so that it doesn't slide off, so the camera doesn't slide off. So that's why I like this tripod, because I feel that it is very safe and sturdy to use. I don't want to risk my camera, this Canon to be on those like non-sturdy kind of tripod, because I ever used a very cheap tripod and it was so flimsy and my camera almost dropped to the floor. So that's why I think it's a very good investment to invest for any video creator, to invest in a good and sturdy tripod. Especially if you are going out to film in an outdoor environment whereby it's very windy. You can also have this, you can put a weight on here. There's a hook. Even sometimes when I want to remove the battery and the SD card from here, I can just open the cover here and remove the battery. Okay, just like off here, or the memory card. It's the memory card. So the roller head, you can just adjust and it will go around and adjust accordingly. for you to pan left to right. And to remove the camera, I just need to loosen up here, this side, and just remove. That's all. It's very easy, really fast. There. It's really fast, fast free. So right now I'll be showing you how fast I can keep this tripod. Okay, yeah, that's it. So it's really compact and you can easily bring this out. Like on their website, right, you can even go all the way down to the ground, especially some shots that you need to shoot from the ground. And there are many colors available. So this is my old setup. I just put my mini tripod on something high, so the highest thing that I can find is my son's baby chair. So I also bought this shotgun mic by Saramonic. The model is SR-M3. This mic is very simple. So far I've been using it for a few days and I think that the sound is very good. The most important is for my outdoor shooting. It blocks out most of the sound of the wind. It comes with this button here whereby you can amplify the sound of the surrounding. If let's say example, if I'm talking to the mic indoor, I would just use the 0. But if I want to capture the sound of my surrounding, then I would amplify 10 times and use this function here. So it's very convenient. They have the on-off button over here. And this is like a condenser mic whereby you can use the battery, a AAA battery, and it doesn't use the battery of your camera. And there's another function to block out the sound. And another good thing is it has a mic jack. Sometimes when you are recording on your camera and you want to listen to the sound, you can just attach a microphone here and you can listen to the sound that has been captured. So this is very useful and you don't need to have to replay the sound on your camera. So right now I'm recording this using my Canon EOS M50 internal mic without any external mic. So this is how I sound like. So right now I'm going to attach the Saramonic shotgun mic and let you listen how big is the difference. And I believe now you can hear the sound of my fan. I have a ceiling fan running on top. Okay, right now I'm recording using the Saramonic shotgun mic and I believe that you can hear the difference, and my setting is set to 0. My voice will be the most crisp one compared to the surrounding. So my surrounding sound will be blocked. And for my camera, Canon EOS M50, I will be doing a separate review on this on my next video. So I hope that you like my little review on my filming equipments. If you like this kind of video, do let me know in the comments down below. I'll do more reviews on the gadgets and the software that I use for all my YouTube videos. If you are new here, do consider subscribing to my channel. I upload 2 videos every week. And don't forget to click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. I'll see you on my next one. Bye bye! I bought this for how much? I bought this for 82.